Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's calendar sync with external calendars, your full guide for 2025. Step 1. Log into your Trello account and open up the board you wish to synchronize. Now, why do we do this? Well, it's because Trello organizes tasks in boards, and each board has its own calendar. Next up, find the Show menu button on the top right, click on it, and select Power-Ups. This helps us because power-ups are additional features to enhance your Trello experience, and the calendar sync is one of them. Then, you'll want to find the calendar power-up and enable it. Once enabled, you'll see a new calendar link at the top of your board. The reason we do this is to make your Trello board's dates visible in a calendar format, which can then be synced with your external calendar. Now that we've done that, you need to click on the calendar link and you'll find a gear icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Enable Sync. This is how we get Trello ready to share your board's calendar with your external calendar. Then you'll see an iCalendar feed URL. Copy this URL. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This URL is a direct link to your board's calendar data, which your external calendar will use to stay updated. Finally, head over to your external calendar. This could be Google Calendar, Outlook, or any other. Find the option to Add by URL or Subscribe by URL, paste the iCalendar URL, and save. This helps us because now your Trello board's calendar and your external calendar are synced. Any changes you make in Trello will automatically reflect in your external calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your Trello calendar with an external calendar. Keep organized and stay ahead of your tasks in 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and keep exploring all that Trello can